Hi, I'm Dr. Neil,
Yes, he's a genius.
and I'm the digital wealth technologist and CEO of Dynamart
He's our CEO.
Solutions International, based here in Toronto, Canada.
Toronto.
And as you can see, I'm working from home, and this Saturday night, past midnight, and frankly, I'm having a tough time sleeping.
Carnage, the sleepless nights.
Going to sleep because recently I've been reading about all the hardships that our small businesses are going to be facing in the post-pandemic era.
We're looking at another pandemic.
So basically, we did some research and we have some, beautiful, wonderful solutions.
Real solutions!
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
That can help a lot of the businesses.
Fortunately, there are solutions.
Don't worry, we can face it.
We can?
Oh, correct? Absolutely.
But right now, it's hard to get heard over all the noise
Oh, it's so noisy, I can't hear a thing.
because of the uncertainties and stress and worry and misinformation and fear-mongering and all of that stuff that is going on a daily basis,
And all these bad feelings and all this
together with the restrictions that are put on the businesses, operations. So what I decided to do is we sent a document of our findings regarding certain types of businesses. And if you didn't see it, it's probably in your spam folder
Well, there really is no junk mail.
or you've been missed for some reason. Anyways, what I did was I thought because of the time constraints and worries and people, being distracted, was to kind of look at this document and send you a video version of it. And I would like to do that in the form of like 2-3 minutes clips so that you can kind of follow and get the truth about what's about to happen. And so this is a service we'd like to provide. And we'll start off with a full overall of your digital presence. That's $1,000 value.
$1,000.
Wow! For free!
And we'll do it absolutely free of charge as a way to help the local businesses, try and survive during the pandemic. Because most of the businesses, as you can hear about, that were landmarks and been around for generations, are closing doors.
My favorite restaurant closed down.
And we are closed down.
And there are ways to fix that. Yes, we can! But they've gone past the point and never looked at the options that might be available. On the other hand, some of them do have the actual presence, digital presence, but they're missing pieces or they're archaic and old systems that are not as effective as they should be.
Useless!
So the first thing we'd like to do is send you that with your permission. And so be on the lookout for that, please.
And he's a genius. Beautiful.
And thank you, and you'll be hearing from me very, very shortly. Stay safe, yourself, for your family, and for your business.